Hello, welcome back to Daily English with Diana. How are you today? I love earrings, especially silver ones. Wearing them always puts me in a very good mood. I don't always wear makeup when I go out, but I always wear earrings wherever I go. Today, we are going to learn some words related to earrings. Let's get started. Number 1, ear piercing. Ear piercing. E-A-R, ear. E-A-R, ear. P-I-E-R-C-I-N-G. Piercing. P-I-E-R-C-I-N-G. Piercing. An ear piercing is a small hole in your ear where you can wear beautiful earrings. Here are some example sentences. I have 2 pairs of ear piercing. I have 2 pairs of ear piercing. Does your school allow ear piercing? Does your school allow ear piercing? Now, how do you say that you want to get an ear piercing? You can say, I want to get my ears pierced. I want to get my ears pierced. Tip here. We say get my ears pierced because pierced describes the result after the hole is made. Piercing refers to the action, but in English, we don't say get my ears piercing. Instead, we use get my ears pierced to talk about having the holes done. Number 2, clip-on earrings. Clip-on earrings. Clip, C-L-I-P, clip. On, O-N, on. Don't forget the dash in the middle. Clip dash on. What if you don't want to get your ears pierced, but still want to wear earrings? Clip-on earrings are a great option. I've tried clip-on earrings before. They looked good on me. But the only problem was that I couldn't wear them for long. They made my ears hurt a little. Here are some example sentences. Do you have this design in a clip-on version? Do you have this design in a clip-on version? I can wear pierced earrings, so I use clip-on earrings instead. I can't wear pierced earrings, so I use clip-on earrings instead. Which do you like better, pierced earrings or clip-on earrings? I prefer pierced earrings. Alright, let's review what we learned today. Number 1, I have 2 pairs of earrings. I have 2 pairs of ear piercing. I have 2 pairs of ear piercing. So I have 2 pairs of earrings. All right. Number 2, I want to get my ears pierced. I want to get my ears pierced. Number 3, do you have this design in a clip-on version? Do you have this design in a clip-on version? That's all for today. I hope you liked today's episode. If you have any questions, feel free to send me a message or leave a comment. I'd love to help. See you next time. Bye-bye.